On May 15, 2024, the Supreme Court of the Philippines and the Federal Court of Australia entered into a memorandum of understanding affirming our shared commitment to judicial cooperation. Through this MOU, our courts pledged to develop programs that would lay a firm foundation for sustained collaboration and foster a deeper understanding of each other's legal and judicial cultures, common international legal standards, regional developments, and emerging issues of mutual concern. In continued fulfillment of our commitment under the MOU, it is now our honor and privilege to host our colleagues from the FCA for a week-long study visit.
Our collaborative relationship with the Philippines, as Associate Justice Singh has indicated, is only new, but it is already remarkably wide and deep and sincere.
On behalf of the Office of the Regional Court Manager, Judicial Region 7, it is my honor to welcome our esteemed delegates from the Federal Court of Australia.
This gathering is a testament to our shared commitment to judicial excellence and innovation.
I also want to commend you on the amazing effort that you've all made and how refreshing it is to see your enthusiasm, your motivation, your smiling faces, the way you go about your jobs. And whilst I appreciate that you're very thankful to us for some ideas, you really have taken those ideas and run with them and made them your own for your own particular environment.
This is just an example of what we can achieve through cooperation with other judiciaries. Our judiciary, our nation does not stand alone and cannot stand and survive alone. And only through meaningful exchanges like this can we expand our horizons and come up with better solutions to the problems that we face here in our country.
I get to take this back to Australia as well and say, yeah, see, we're more agile, we need to do it. That's the way to do it.
We formally welcome you to the Hall of Justice of Lapu-Lapu City, Cebu.
Your Honours, distinguished guests, welcome to our Philippine Judiciary Knowledge Exchange with the Federal Court of Australia.
It is my great honor to welcome you to our training center, the Judicial Academy of the Philippines. Today marks a significant occasion as this is the first study visit of the Federal Court of Australia to the Philippines.
I liken them to the building of a house. We start with a platform of mutual respect. That is our solid base. To that platform, we bring curiosity and enthusiasm to learn, and a readiness to share in good humour and with compassion for the challenges that others face. And that will keep our energy up. In working together, we support each other and we must get to know each other. And again, like a construction project, we need the skills and expertise of those who can coordinate our work. So a very important part of this exchange, aside from the substantive law that we will be discussing, is in the lunches and the dinners and the downtime that we are sharing with our Philippines judicial colleagues, where we can provide each other with real support and encouragement in the judicial task. Friendships may begin And in time, we hope deeper and stronger collegiate relationships will develop between our courts and also between our individual judges. And I feel we have so much to look forward to in this new house that we are building together.
As partners in the pursuit of justice, may our discussion with our colleagues from the FCA inspire us to broaden our perspectives beyond our borders and hope to refine our laws and practices and strengthen the judicial cooperation and friendship between our two countries.
Your Honors, Your Excellencies, again, thank you so much for coming over all the way from down under to grace us with your knowledge and your presence. I echo the message of Justice Monet Singh that it has been very important for this court to have a lot of international partnerships.
It's truly been an exceptional week. A level of gratitude I find it difficult to express for your hospitality and your generosity, the respect, the help, whatever we have needed, we have been able to secure. I think I can honestly say we've never experienced hospitality or generosity like this. Thank you so much.
In our view, this international exposure that we have had has given us a broader view of how we should administer justice in the Philippines, as well as how we should adjudicate a lot of cases.
And the more that judicial leaders can model compassion, the more that judges can model compassion in the way they deal with litigants. There's been no dominant partner in this relationship. We are both bringing our experience, our sense of challenges, our optimism and our quest for improvement, and we have truly had a really meaningful exchange every day, every session this week.
Justice is always dynamic, and we know that justice is not a fixed concept. It is malleable, and it should be malleable because the kinds of doctrines that we have had in the past cannot survive when we test it in our reality.
I can only say again that this has been such an extraordinary start for us on our first visit to the Philippines, and we could not have hoped for more. So our deepest gratitude to you for it. Thank you.
Thank you at mabuhay po tayong lahat.